CNC machines create components of an almost endless variety all over the world. Manufacturing processes with advanced machinery must be able to be relied on to consistently deliver on time, every time. Businesses that suffer from a total machine loss typically never reopen from the downtime, lost contracts, and costs associated with a fire. A CNC machine is a large investment with average costs around $300,000. These machines will need to work demanding schedules to offer a return on investment, ever increasing the likelihood of a fire. Reacton's clean agent, either 3M Novec 1230 fire protection fluid or FM 200 waterless fire suppressant from Chemours, offer unrivaled performance with zero cleanup. They are all non-corrosive, non-conductive, and completely safe for your sensitive electronics, so your system can be back up and running in no time. The key to minimal fire damage is early detection and suppression within the machine. All systems are pre-engineered and ideal for OEM and retrofit, being extremely compact and light with minimal parts. Installation is quick and easy with system sizes ranging from 1 kilogram up to 18 kilogram. Typical fire hazards in these environments when using oil-based coolants or lubricants are caused by running machines unattended, programming mistakes, tool failures, high friction, and sparks. The pressurized tubing is installed inside the risk area. The radiant heat from the fire will burst the pneumatic detection tube and activate the fire suppression system, providing fully automatic fire suppression 24/7. Rapid suppression and correct application of the clean agent is taken care of with our dedicated nozzles, allowing for your Class B risks to be quickly combated. Systems can be easily configured with ancillary items, such as pressure switches and electronic control modules, to quickly shut down pumps and power to the machine, whilst also raising notifications to the workshop.